how to make a copy using your PIXMA TS6520. Well, quite easy. Let me show you. First of all, let's open the scan lid over here. Take the document you wish to copy, place it facing down with the top part of this document towards the left side, just like that. Then we need to bring the corner of the document so it touches the top left corner, the one with an arrow over here. This is how you align your document. Then close the lid, and we need to go on the display right over here. You're going to press the home button. You're going to select, one of the first options should be copy. You see, press OK. So if you want to make more than one copies, go and press the up arrow and you'll be able to add as many as you wish. Now, there's many different options you can change before making your copy. I won't go through them necessarily, but if you go over here in menu, press OK, you'll be able to select the the copy size, so which kind of document you're trying to make a copy. And if you press on other, you can change the layout, the contrast, and the quality, stuff of this nature. Now let me go back. If you don't want to go through this menu, it's pretty understandable. All you have to do is to press over here the green button if you want a color copy, or the black button on top if you want a black and white copy. Before doing that, make sure that you have some paper inserted in your printer and you extend the paper output. I'll select a color copy, so I'll press on it once and wait. And we got our color copy. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, take a moment, comment down below, check my Amazon links if you want to get some replacement ink cartridges compatible with this printer, and I'll see you in the next video.